So with limited storage in the garage, we're looking for a way to store this go-kart upright, kind of like this. And I'm thinking maybe a workbench off the top, and then also make this a work stand, so something that pivots up. So this is the concept we're working with. I want to be able to store the go-kart flat like this, and then also this green drawing lifts up, and then that stores our go-kart. So you can imagine, it's stored here, and then it pivots around that point and flips up like that, and now we have a work stand for the go-kart as well. So there's a couple key items that we're looking to accomplish here. We want to store the go-kart upright and utilize this desk space. We want it to fold into a go-kart work stand, so it's popping it upright. And then we want maybe a screw lift for ease. I have a screw lift that I could utilize. And then we want lockout bars so we can bang on it. And then probably put the whole thing on casters as well, just so we can move it around.